everyone, I am Adarsh and welcome to Reader Alliance. So guys, in today's video, we are going to discuss about the book which is totally dedicated to the world's most powerful thing, which is human subconscious mind. Yes guys, and that book is The Power of Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. And guys, as usual, before going to the book, let's have a short intro of the author. So Dr. Joseph Murphy is a famous psychiatrist, public speaker, and an internationally famous author whose books are sold over 1 million copies globally. So, and now let's talk about the book. So, as I told you before, that this book is totally dedicated to the world's most powerful but still most underestimated thing, which is human subconscious mind. And in this book, author told us about what is the subconscious mind, what power it has, and how can we use its power, how can we control it for our benefits. And while reading this book, I find so many parts which I love very much, and there is some parts which is also confused me. So now let's discuss. So the parts about this book, things I like is very much that, first of all, this book is discussed about almost every part of our life. Yes guys, the author guides us that how we can tackle any particular phase of life with the help of our subconscious mind. No matter what phase it may be your personal life, your health, your wealth, your old age, about your dreams, your goals, everything. In every aspect, the author guided us and talked about that part in this book. The second thing I loved so much that author explained its techniques in a very simple way. There is not any heavy terms like scientific terms mentioned in this book. Author explained its techniques with real life stories, which makes me motivated, and I hope it makes you motivated too. And then the third thing I like is that author's guidance. Author guided us about its technique, how we can practice with a step-by-step guidance. Even authors mention the particular lines that we should pronounce during our affirmation for a particular thing, and that thing is I love very much, because I am a guy who need a very much clarity to do anything. And yeah, some points which make me disappointed in this book, that the first of all, that the stories in this, some stories of this book sounds like a bluff. There is not any kind of logic. And the second thing is that in some stories of this book, there is not the name of characters are mentioned, and that make the story is irreliable. And then the third thing is that when we read these stories, some stories sounds like real life, but the stuff in the story is just like an imagination. If I give an example, that there is a story in this book where a person's daughter have any kind of skin problem, and one day he prayed to God that he can sacrifice his arm for cure of his daughter's skin. And after some time, an accident happened with that guy, and he lost his arm in that accident. And after that accident, his daughter's skin problem is getting cured automatically. Means how it can happen? There is not any logic, any connection between these two things, these two stories, and that make me confused and disappoint me very much. Means that we are talking about a non-fiction books, and there is a story like a fiction. There is not any logic. Anything is happened anywhere. This is I didn't expect from a book which is actually sounds like a scientific. So if we talk about overall, this book is very informative. This book can helps you for your self growth and to deal with your mind, and overall I can recommend you to read this book, of course, because it is actually helps you. But if anyone of you want to become businessman or rich in future, and that's why he or she want to read any book which is dedicated to mind power, then I will suggest you should read the book Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill instead of this, because in terms of finance that book is very good. Not good, it's great. I read its book some part in form of PDF, which I didn't like very much in PDF, but yeah, the content inside the book is actually going to help you. So I'm going to mention the link of that book also in description box, and any one of you want to buy this book or maybe the second book, I'm going to mention both of links in description box. You can go and buy there. And if you find this video helpful to you, then please like it. If you new to the channel, then subscribe it and let me know how your point of view about that book if you read this book already. So thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.